Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make computer sleep with keyboard. First, make sure your computer is on and running, and log into your Windows if needed. Save your work. Before sleeping, save any open files or documents. Close or minimize active windows. Use Alt plus Tab or Windows plus D to go to the desktop. Press Alt F4 while on the desktop. This opens the Shutdown Windows dialog. Select Sleep from the drop-down list. Use the arrow keys to scroll through options. Press Enter or OK to confirm. Now, your PC will go into sleep mode. Alternative method. Using shortcut key. Press Windows plus X to open the quick link menu. Press U to open the shutdown, sign out menu, or sleep menu. Then press S to select sleep. Wait a few seconds for the computer to sleep. Take note, your computer's sleep mode must be enabled in Settings. You can check this in the Settings menu, System, Power and Sleep, Additional Power Settings, then choose what the power buttons do. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.